There are a ton of quality cordless vacuums on the market right now, but which one is going to be the best for you and your specific needs? Well, in this video, we're checking out the 5 best cordless vacuums in 2022. I've made this list based on price versus performance, reliability, ease of use, and more. We'll be taking a look at products in every budget range, so regardless of whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want the best value or are looking for the best cordless vacuum you can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Now let's get into the video. If you're looking for a reasonably priced, lightweight cordless vacuum that works well on hardwood floors, carpet, and pet hair, the Wise Cordless Vacuum is my choice as the best affordable cordless vacuum in 2022. Not everyone can afford a premium vacuum, and the Wise Cordless Vacuum is an affordable and easy-to-use option that comes with several useful attachments. It also offers enough power to effectively remove dust and debris from hard floors, carpet, and upholstery. The main unit only weighs around 2.8 pounds, so you should have no issues moving it around the house. I think the 3-stage filtration system is impressive considering the price, and it starts with a vacuum cyclone that filters by particle size, a metal screen for larger irritants, and a HEPA filter that removes up to 99.99% of microscopic airborne particles while you vacuum. It also has a small LCD screen that displays the battery level and allows you to change the suction mode. Even though the battery life depends on the suction mode used, it can deliver up to a 50-minute runtime on Eco Mode. You get 3 suction settings, an Eco Mode that extends the runtime, a Medium Mode that offers balanced performance, and a Turbo Mode for spot cleaning. It utilizes a brushless digital motor that delivers solid suction power, and it has an additional 9,500 RPM motor in the brush head, which makes it especially effective on pet dander. I also like that it has a continuous on feature unlike the Dyson V15 Detect Absolute, so you don't need to hold the power button to vacuum. You also get 6 bright LED lights that illuminate dirt underneath furniture and in darker corners for more thorough cleaning. While it doesn't offer the power or build quality of the V15, the Wise Cordless Vacuum delivers impressive performance for a fraction of the cost. If you're looking for a cordless vacuum that's easy to move around, can last for a little while, and can reliably remove dirt or pet residue from smaller spaces, this might be the perfect option for your needs. For anyone who wants a vacuum that has a long-lasting battery, a powerful motor for stubborn messes, and comparable performance to more premium models for much less, the Tinco A11 Hero Cordless Vacuum is my choice as the best cordless vacuum for the money in 2022. The Tinco A11 Hero Cordless Vacuum offers a convenient way to keep your home clean, and it has a powerful motor that's effective on most surfaces, including hardwood, tile, and carpet. It has a compact, lightweight build that's easy to lift for cleaning higher spaces or fit underneath furniture. You get a versatile 2-in-1 design that can be used as a full-height vacuum or a portable handheld tool to clean tighter spaces. The dustbin is a solid size and comes with a 0.6-liter capacity that allows you to clean for longer, and it has an intuitive one-touch emptying mechanism for user convenience. It has a built-in 2500 mAh battery that provides a runtime of up to 40 minutes, which should be adequate to clean small to medium-sized homes. It also comes with a wall mount dock for convenient storage and charging, but it's somewhat bulky. You get 3 power modes depending on your cleaning requirements, including a gentle mode for smaller messes, a daily mode that can handle everyday cleaning tasks like eliminating pet hair, and a max mode for spot cleaning, although it can struggle with larger debris on hard floors. Like the Wise Cordless Vacuum, it has a continuous power mode to stay comfortable over longer tasks, but it also has a useful trigger mode depending on your requirements. It also comes with a powerful 450-watt motor for caked-in grime and a 10-inch powered brush roll to cover more ground on a single pass. The Tinco A11 Hero Cordless Vacuum is the best option for the money because of its versatile design and superior cleaning performance to comparable competitors like the Wise Cordless Vacuum. This is an ideal choice if you want a high-quality cordless vacuum that's suitable for medium-sized homes, doesn't require much maintenance, and performs well for a reasonable price. Some users might be looking for a cordless vacuum that's easy to use, comes with several useful attachments, and can handle just about any household cleaning requirement. The Shark Vertex Duo Clean Cordless Vacuum is an excellent and versatile option to consider. Shark is one of the most popular vacuum brands in the world, and their Vertex Duo Clean Cordless Vacuum is a strong, all-around performer that can efficiently pick up particles of almost any size and fit underneath low-rising furniture. The 7-pound weight is somewhat heavy, and the handle might be too thick for smaller hands, but it has a low-profile design that can fit underneath most obstacles. It has an intuitive interface to switch between cleaning modes, along with a self-cleaning brush roll to eliminate pet hair, which is absent on basic models like the A11 Hero. The cleaning head has a built-in light that illuminates specks of dirt, and it has a green alert button to indicate when blockages occur. I also think the 60-minute maximum runtime is solid and should suit most cleaning applications, or you can opt for a 120-minute configuration for larger spaces. Unfortunately, the motor is relatively noisy while in use, but the trade-off is high-end suction power that performs well on most surfaces. Even more, you get a power boost trigger that supercharges the vacuum for larger jobs or stubborn particles, although it might not be appropriate for plush, high-pile carpets. It features innovative duo-clean power fins that are made from flexible silicone, and they're engineered to provide greater cleaning efficiency. You also get several attachments, including a crevice tool for narrow spaces, a pet multi-tool brush, an anti-allergen brush, and an integrated HEPA filter that captures microscopic particles. While it doesn't remove as much pet hair as the Miele Triflex HX1 Pro, it offers versatile all-around performance and more suction power than the previously mentioned options, which makes it ideal for almost any household application. If you're looking for a cordless vacuum that can clean any common household surface and can remove particles of most sizes, this might be the perfect option for you. Now, for anyone who wants a vacuum that can clean the air while you vacuum and effectively eliminate pet hair and odors, the Miele Triflex HX1 Pro is my choice as the best cordless vacuum for pet hair in 2022. The Miele Triflex HX1 Pro is a high-quality vacuum that's easy to use, well-designed, and offers excellent cleaning performance on floors. It also has a versatile design to clean anywhere in your home and powerful suction to eradicate stubborn pet residue. You get a cordless design that allows for superior maneuverability, and it comes with 2 rechargeable batteries that deliver around 120 minutes of cleaning time depending on your usage. It has a versatile 3-in-1 design that allows you to clean a greater number of surfaces, including a reach mode that makes it easier to lift for cleaning hard-to-reach spaces like ceilings, a comfort mode, and a compact mode that offers handheld functionality, although it's relatively heavy. Like the Vertex Duo Clean, it also comes with a HEPA filter that captures microscopic particles and a useful flashlight that illuminates specks of dirt. It has an extra-wide electro brush multi-floor XXL that can cover more ground with a single pass, a crevice nozzle, a flat upholstery tool, and a turbo brush to remove stubborn pet hair from furniture. Unfortunately, the dustbin is somewhat small, but it has a convenient twist-to-open mechanism for easy cleaning. Unlike the less expensive models on this list, it offers automatic floor detection that adjusts the suction power based on the surface, and it has multiple power modes to suit your cleaning requirements. Even more, you get a user-friendly one-switch turn-on to remain comfortable while vacuuming. The motor also provides outstanding suction power that's effective on high and medium pile carpets. The Miele Triflex HX1 Pro is especially effective at eliminating pet hair, and it offers a more in-depth cleaning and a more versatile design than the previously mentioned Vertex Duo Clean. This is an ideal vacuum cleaner if you live in a larger space or need something that can handle heavy-duty cleaning on carpets, tile, or some construction sites. If you're looking for a cordless vacuum with a high-capacity dustbin and the most powerful cleaning performance on the market for larger messes, the Dyson V15 Detect Absolute is my choice as the best overall cordless vacuum in 2022. The V15 Detect Absolute is an excellent cordless vacuum that comes with a built-in headlight to illuminate dirt particles for greater precision, a solid array of tools for added versatility, class-leading cleaning across all floor types, and outstanding suction power to eliminate embedded dirt and grime. It has a lightweight build that only weighs around 7 pounds, and it has a cordless stick design for superior maneuverability. I like that the dustbin is easy to empty, and it has a cavernous 0.75-liter capacity, which is much more than the Miele Triflex HX1 Pro and adequate for medium to large-size spaces. The mounted laser headlight is a key addition that emits a green light to illuminate dirt particles on harder floors. The battery delivers an impressive 60-minute runtime, and it offers an auto power setting that automatically adjusts suction power based on the surface. The V15 produces unmatched cleaning performance on harder floors, and you get multiple heads to choose from, including a laser slim fluffy head and a high-torque cleaning head. It comes with several attachments, such as a combo tool, a stiff bristle brush to eliminate stubborn dirt, a crevice tool, and a hair screw tool that captures larger hairs. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a continuous power button, but it has a powerful motor that can reduce your cleaning time and eradicate pet dander, dirt, and smaller particles. It performs well on most surfaces, but maneuverability might be somewhat reduced on long pile carpets. While it's likely too expensive for many users, the V15 offers a long-lasting battery, a large dustbin that's appropriate for larger jobs, and class-leading performance that provides a more in-depth clean than the other items on this list. I would recommend this if you need a vacuum that delivers exceptional results on all floor types, shows you where dirt is concentrated, and can eliminate stubborn messes with ease. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Links to all products we've talked about are in the description below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.